Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mo here. So before removing power steering rack, we have to do something. So get a strap and fix tight the power steering wheel, because in case we're gonna roll the power steering wheel, we don't have to mess up the clock spring. So make sure you fix it tight, and then we can remove the power steering rack. Okay, so here we have the power steering rack. We remove the cover, and the plan is to remove these nuts, both of them. We have two bolts right here. Yeah, without nuts, it's just the bolts. And also we have another bolt here. I just figure out, as you see right here, we have another bolt, and we have the power steering column, which goes to the power steering wheel. We have here a bolt. It's a 10mm. We remove this, and this, and after, before all of these together, you have to remove the hose which comes to the power steering rack. So we have here a bolt with a torque. You remove this and you have the power steering out. So I'm not going to remove these nuts, and also I'm not gonna take out the hose to make sure I can remove the engine mount. So before removing the whole power steering rack, you have to untie it and take out to disconnect from power steering wheel. So you get this 10mm bolt right here. You unscrew it, take it out, and remove the power steering column from power steering rack. Okay, now we take a screwdriver, big screwdriver, straight screwdriver. We put in here and we try to loose right here and make space to remove it. See, it comes really easily out. That's it. Also, you can take the connector out. Okay, here we go. Alright guys, so here we got the power steering down. Now if you completely want to remove, you remove the nuts, the hoses, pipes, and another nut, and that's it. The power steering, it's down. Alright guys, I'm done. That was a quick video how to remove the power steering rack. If I helped you, really easy to remove this power steering rack. Compared to Audis and BMWs, this is nothing, but some people, they don't know how. And if you are helped to, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you're first time on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe, because I'm always posting new videos how to fix any cars. My pleasure to help you guys. See you next time.